Hello everyone, my name is Gurneet Bhatia and it is my first session for learning Java. So now all the beginners who always wanted to learn Java, let's just get started with it. What if you missed your first class in your college, or probably you always wanted to learn Java but you didn't know where to start from? So let's just go ahead. Today we'll have a brief knowledge about what actually is Java, what are the components related to it, and we'll do the simple installation of the JDK. Okay, so let's go ahead. What is Java? It is a high-level language which was developed by Sun Microsystem in early 90s. Okay, just for your knowledge, for your objective type questions, or probably when you have your interviews, you should have this in your knowledge. Now, what is an object-oriented language? Java is called as an object-oriented language, but what does that mean? We'll discuss it on the later videos. Probably for now, you should know that when you create a class in Java, you cannot copy and paste again and again that class outside its own scope, right? So in order to use that particular class outside its scope, we require the object such that the object works as the medium to carry all the properties that class holds outside the scope of that particular class. Okay, how do we create object in everything? That we have already discussed in a previous video, but we'll do it again for the entire sessions, whatever is the requirement based on that. Okay, so next, what is portability? Java is called as portable language across the platforms. That means whatever code you write that could be used, whether it is a Macintosh operating system or probably it is a Windows operating system. So in any kind of operating system, the code could be reused and can be used easily. And also, the JVM plays a vital role to convert the class files or the code which you create, right? It converts that class into the corresponding bytecode. The Java virtual machine, it helps us to execute the code into the bytecode. The components for installation you will require are Java Development Kit, okay, which contains your JRE and JVM. Right, now JRE and JVM, these are the short forms which I have mentioned. Okay, Java runtime environment, this is the environment which you require in order to run your Java files. Okay, Java virtual machine. What is a Java virtual machine? It helps, just we discussed it right now, that it is a virtual kind of a machine which lets you convert the code which you write into the bytecode. What is the bytecode? The binary zeros and ones which computer understands. Okay, the compiler lets you see how the code is going and what have you done. With the help of your compiler, you can see that. Okay, so let's just get started. First and foremost, we'll do the installation. Okay, so for installing, right now I don't have, like for you all, I have not downloaded the JDK. So just to check whether JDK is present or not, what do? We go to the command prompt and I simply write Java C. So the moment I write C here, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. That means we do not have the JDK yet installed to our system. So now what I'll do is I'll install it for you all. So let's just write Java JDK, and once you write this, you get this Oracle link. Just click on that link. Alright. So here we have two mediums of downloading the file. Number one is via the Java platform and another is via the NetBeans platform. But I prefer working with Java platform, and the latest version which is present right now is 1.8. Okay, so just click on download. Once you click on download, you have this Java SE Development Kit. Okay, so just click on accept license agreement. Now, based on the operating system you have, you can download the compatible version. So now my system is Windows 32-bit, So I'll download this link, Windows x86. Otherwise, if you have a 64-bit, then go for Windows x64. So just click on this and the download process will start. See here, the JDK is getting installed. Okay, so my JDK is installed. So now just click on that. Now it is just asking, just click. It is just going to ask that whether to accept, so just allow. So it is asking, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer? Just make yes and move ahead. Just wait for it. So it is now telling us it is getting prepared for the installation. Now just click on next. Again, if you want to change the path, it's okay. Otherwise, I choose to keep it the way it is mentioning. I keep it to be default. So next. And now this is the installation process going on. So as you can see, the installation process is going on, and quickly the path which you had decided, or probably the default path you have chosen, in that particular path the development kit is going to be installed. So once the files are installed, so it will ask you path where you want to save. So I will choose the path, that is C program files, as the name folder as Java and JRE 1.8.0_131. So just click on next. This is the default path. So now all the installation regarding your JDK and JRE will be done inside that Java folder. So quickly this installation will complete. And it's done almost. So after the files are downloaded properly and installation is done, you will get this message: Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 131 successfully installed. So click next steps to access tutorials, API documentation. This is all the part for documentation if you require. So now your entire installation is complete. So just click on close. Okay. And now again, just for confirmation, what we'll do, again go to your command prompt. Right now also we are just going to go to the command prompt, and here we'll write Java C. So see here, I'm getting a bunch of files. Why? Because my path, the environment path is set. So how are you going to set your environment path? Just go to Windows. So now go to Windows, go to your control panel. Okay. Now System. Once you go to your system, where will you go? Advanced System Settings. Okay. Here inside your Advanced System Settings, where will you go? Environment Variables. Alright. So now the path. Okay. So just click on Edit. So now, right now, I had already set the path, but if you have not, so how will you do is, just let me delete and show it for you all. What will you do? You will go to your folder inside the path where your Java is installed. So inside your program files, here, Java, and look here, JDK and JRE, both 1.8 version are present. So when you click on JDK, you go to bin, and what you have to do, just copy this path, Control C and Control V. Okay, now first path for your JDK is mentioned. Now after you mention the first path, just put a semicolon, and again within the same Java folder, go to JRE and to your bin again, and copy the path for your JRE. Again, after the semicolon, just paste it. And now what you do, just press OK. And now when you write Java C, you get these many files. Okay, I hope you have understood how to install JDK on your system, and also how to set the environment path for the JDK and JRE as well. So please, I request you all, try to put hands-on practice to whatever is this session about, along with understanding how to install JDK on your system. I would really appreciate if you guys will put a hands-on practice to this, and so it will be really nice to see if you all try to install it, and put your comments down below to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you all like the video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos and sessions on Java for beginners. I hope to see you all again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.